Jackie Chan owns 5 of the most expensive things that will undoubtedly blow your mind. In 5th place is the Bugatti Veyron, a beautiful supercar that attracts attention wherever it goes. This supercar is equipped with a 1,200 horsepower V16 engine capable of reaching a top speed of 253 miles per hour. Its price may exceed $2 million. In 4th place is the massive yacht, the Jeanneau 4601. With a length of approximately 152 feet, it ranks as the 3rd largest yacht built by the manufacturer. This yacht features a modern design and aluminum superstructure and is designed for sailing in the harshest conditions. The interior is luxurious, crafted with first-class materials, and includes 6 cabins, a fully equipped kitchen, a dining room, and an office. Jackie Chan invested nearly $30 million in this yacht. Next is a Richard Mille RM5602 Blue Sapphire, an astonishing wristwatch produced in a limited edition of only 5 pieces globally. One of these watches was customized for Jackie Chan, and its estimated price exceeds $5 million. Following that is a Legacy 500, a modern mid-size twin-engine business jet. One of its highlights is its speed of 563 miles per hour.